In this video, I'll show you how to put money into your Venmo account directly from your bank account or debit card. Now, before we get started, there's something really important you need to know. This method only works if you have applied for the Venmo debit card. Without that card, you cannot transfer money from your bank account to your Venmo balance. I confirmed this directly with a Venmo representative, so make sure you have the card set up first. Alright, let's walk through the steps. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see your Venmo balance at the top. Go ahead and tap on Manage Balance right under it. From here, you'll see an option that says Add Money. Tap on that, and now you can choose the amount you want to transfer. Venmo gives you some preset options, but you can type in any amount you want, even something small like $2.50, just to test it out. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next. On the next screen, Venmo will show you the bank account that you've linked. If you have more than one account or debit card connected, you can tap on it and switch to a different one. Once you've selected the account you want to use, tap Add Now to confirm the transfer. At this point, your Venmo balance will update. If you chose an instant transfer, the money will show up immediately. Though keep in mind that instant transfers have limits, usually around $500 per week. If you're transferring a larger amount, Venmo will use the standard option, which can take between 3 to 5 business days for the funds to fully settle. One important tip: make sure the bank or debit card you're pulling from has enough funds available, since Venmo will eventually withdraw the money, even if your Venmo balance updates right away. And that's it. Once completed, you'll see your updated Venmo balance on the home screen, ready to use for payments, transfers, or sending money to friends and family. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.